Ever heard absence makes the heart grow fonder and thought it was just a cliche? It's actually backed by psychology. Forget playing games. It's all about creating a healthy balance. First, create a happy void. Make your time together so positive and memorable that when you're apart, they genuinely miss the joy and connection you provide. Don't be available 24/7. A little space makes them realize just how much you mean to them. Next, leave them wanting more. This is the Zeigarnik effect. Our brains remember unfinished things better. End a great conversation with, "I'll tell you the rest later." This keeps you on their mind and makes them eager to reach out again. Finally, the most attractive thing you can do is live your own fulfilling life. Pursue your hobbies and goals. When they see you thriving independently, it not only increases your value, but makes them want to be part of your amazing world.